Meghan, Duchess of Sussex, born Rachel Meghan Markle, August 4, 1981, is an American member of the British royal family, media personality, entrepreneur, and actress. She is married to Prince Harry, Duke of Sussex, the younger son of King Charles III. Meghan was born and raised in Los Angeles, California. Her acting career began at Northwestern University. She played the part of Rachel Zane for 7 seasons, 2011 to 2018, in the legal drama series Suits. She also developed a social media presence, which included the TIG 2014 to 2017, a lifestyle blog. During the TIG period, Meghan became involved in charity work focused primarily on women's issues and social justice. She was married to the film producer Trevor Engelson from 2011 until their divorce in 2014. Meghan married Prince Harry in 2018 and became known as the Duchess of Sussex. They have 2 children, Archie and Lilibet. The couple stepped down as working royals in January 2020, moved to Meghan's native Southern California, and launched Arcuel Inc., a Beverly Hills-based mix of for-profit and not-for-profit charitable business organizations. In March 2021, she and her husband participated in Oprah with Meghan and Harry, a much-publicized American television interview by Oprah Winfrey. She has written the children's book The Bench, hosted a podcast Archetypes 2022, and has starred in the Netflix series Harry and Meghan 2022 and With Love, Meghan 2025. Her lifestyle and cooking brand, As Ever, was officially launched in April 2025. Rachel Meghan Markle was born on August 4, 1981, in Los Angeles, California. She identifies as mixed race, stating, "My dad is Caucasian and my mom is African American. I'm half black and half white." Her parents, former makeup artist Doria Ragland and retired television lighting and photography director Thomas Markle Sr., separated when she was 2 and divorced for years later. Markle reportedly has a close relationship with her mother. Until the age of 9, both parents contributed to raising her. Afterward, her father became her primary caregiver while her mother pursued her career, and Markle lived with him full-time before starting university at age 18. Markle Sr. worked as a director of photography and lighting for General Hospital and Married with Children, and she occasionally visited the set of Married... with Children as a child. In later life, she became estranged from her father and her paternal half-siblings, Samantha Markle and Thomas Markle Jr. Growing up in the View Park, Windsor Hills neighborhood of Los Angeles, Markle attended Hollywood Little Red Schoolhouse. At age 11, she and her classmates wrote to Procter & Gamble urging the company to gender-neutralize a dishwashing soap commercial on national television. She was raised Christian, though conflicting reports indicate she was raised either Catholic or Protestant. She graduated from Immaculate Heart High School, Los Angeles, a fee-charging all-girls Catholic school. Markle took part in plays and musicals at the school, where her father assisted with lighting. During her teenage years, she worked at a local frozen yogurt shop and a donut shop, and later as a nanny and waitress. She also volunteered at a soup kitchen in Skid Row, Los Angeles. In 1999, she was admitted to Northwestern University New in Evanston, Illinois, where she joined the Kappa Kappa Gamma sorority. With other members of the sorority, Markle volunteered with the Glass Slipper Project. After her junior year, her uncle Michael Markle helped secure her an internship as a junior press officer at the American Embassy in Buenos Aires, and she briefly considered a political career. However, she did not score high enough on the Foreign Service Officer test to proceed further with the U.S. State Department and returned to New. She also attended a study abroad program in Madrid. In 2003, Markle earned her bachelor's degree with a double major in theater and international studies from Northwestern School of Communication. Personal life, early relationships, and first marriage, Markle and American film producer Trevor Engelson began dating in 2004. They were married in Ocho Rios, Jamaica, on August 16, 2011. They separated in 2013 and were granted a divorce in 2014. Markle's subsequent live-in relationship with Canadian celebrity chef and restaurateur Corey Vitiello ended in May 2016 after almost 2 years. Second marriage and motherhood. In mid-2016, Markle began a relationship with Prince Harry, a grandson of Queen Elizabeth II. According to the couple, they first connected with each other via Instagram, and they have also said that they were set up on a blind date by a mutual friend in July 2016. On November 8th, 8 days after the relationship was made public by the press, the prince directed his communications secretary to release a statement on his behalf expressing personal concern about pejorative and false comments made about his girlfriend by mainstream media and internet trolls. Later, in a letter to a British media regulator, Markle's representatives complained about harassment from journalists. In September 2017, Markle and Harry appeared together in public in Toronto at the Invictus Games, of which Harry is founding patron. Markle's engagement to Harry was announced on November 27, 2017, by his father Charles, then the Prince of Wales. The announcement was greeted with enthusiasm by the British media and prompted generally positive commentary about a mixed-race person joining the royal family, particularly in Commonwealth countries. Markle announced that she would retire from acting and her intention to become a British citizen. In preparation for the wedding, the Archbishop of Canterbury, Justin Welby, baptized Markle and confirmed her in the Church of England on March 6, 2018. The private ceremony, performed with water from the River Jordan, took place in the Chapel Royal at St. James's Palace. The marriage ceremony was held on May 19th at St. George's Chapel, Windsor Castle. Her wedding dress was designed by Claire Waite Keller. Markle later revealed that there had been a private exchange of vows 3 days earlier with the Archbishop of Canterbury in the couple's garden, although this exchange was not a legally recognized marriage. After the wedding, the Duke and Duchess lived at Nottingham Cottage in London, on the grounds of Kensington Palace. In May 2018, it was reported that they had signed a 2-year lease on Westfield Large, located on the Great, to a estate in the Cotswolds. They gave up the lease after photos of the house and its interior were published by a paparazzi agency. The couple considered settling in the 21-room apartment one within Kensington Palace, but instead moved to Frogmore Cottage in the home park of Windsor Castle instead. The Crown Estate refurbished the cottage at a cost of £2.4 million, paid out of the Sovereign grant, with the Duke later reimbursing expenses beyond restoration and ordinary maintenance, a portion of which was offset against rental payments due at the time. Meghan gave birth to a son, Archie, on May 6, 2019. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex's office moved to Buckingham Palace and officially closed on March 31, 2020, when the Sussexes withdrew from undertaking official royal engagements. After some months in Canada and the United States, the couple bought a house in June 2020 on the former estate of Riven Rock, Montecito, California. The next month, Meghan suffered a miscarriage. She gave birth to a daughter, Lilibet, on June 4, 2021. Meghan later revealed that she had suffered from postpartum preeclampsia. The Duke and Duchess have owned a Labrador named Pula and two Beagles named Guy and Mamma Mia. Meghan previously owned a Labrador German Shepherd Cross named Bogart. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.